eyes on the road. No talking. I just keep my eyes on the road so I'll focus, okay?
Take the next right onto Central Avenue, Clark Circle.
Driving in New Jersey is it's really tough. The road signs, the roads can get complicated sometimes. Even though you have the GPS telling you to go here, it can be very confusing sometimes, and I can even say dangerous.
In 1,000 feet, turn left to stay on Central Avenue, Clark Circle.
So I paused the video at red light to not make the video too long.
Turn left to stay on Central Avenue, Clark Circle, then turn right onto Valley Road.
Oh my God, I missed the road I thought I was gonna take.
Use the right 2 lanes to take the Garden State Parkway ramp, then merge onto Garden State Parkway North.
Well, let's get back with it. Cut and join, baby.
Take the ramp to Cranford, then turn right onto Centennial Avenue.
Make the video not too long. Cut and join. Now it's red light. I'm gonna pause it until it turns green. See all these road signs. Very, very confusing place. Very, very confusing direction sometimes. Driving here in New Jersey. Time to go. Red, green lights. Eyes on the road. Alright, so this is up to 5 minutes now, the video yield. See, I think I'm gonna have to stop here now. I'm gonna have to go now. See you in the next one. Bye bye.